I'm looking at this report online and it says Morgan Freeman's step granddaughter stabbed to death in New York. It's just so sad. In America, even celebrities are not free and not safe. Anybody can be killed anytime, just about any time. It's just so sad. And as I read the report, what I get to understand is that it was likely her boyfriend, and her name is Ed Dina Hines, and then she was found on a Manhattan street early Sunday morning with multiple stab wounds. A 30-year-old man, who police said was the boyfriend, was taken into custody and hospitalized for a psychological evaluation. And this brings us to the next point. There's so many people with mental problems in America, which is again so strange. No other country seems to have this kind of consistent outlay of people with mental issues, people who randomly kill people, randomly shoot, randomly stab, these kind of things, which is so dangerous. Today it was her, tomorrow it could be anybody. It could be Bill Gates out on the street. And imagine, the kind of colossal loss which people of that stature, imagine Mark Zuckerberg, God forbid something happens to these tech titans. They are the ones for whom I think a lot of progress across the world, depends on that. And it's just so sad that nothing is being done in what is said to be the world's most powerful and richest country. Nothing can be done to control these kind of elements. And here Morgan Freeman himself says, he's referring to the death as tragic and senseless, which is absolutely how it is. And Freeman said the world will never know her artistry and talent. And apparently, she was there in a movie as well called Five Flights Up, where she appeared as a receptionist. So it's just so sad that this such an icon of the film industry, his step granddaughter, she has to face death this way, which means just about anybody can face such things in America. Just so sad. Hope that in times to come there's something done about these kind of tragic incidents. Thanks.